What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy King Reckless, finally back with another banger. I say finally because I've been gone for a minute. Y'all know how long I've been gone, maybe like a month and a half. I will talk to y'all about that when we get in the car. I'm kind of in a rush right now. I just got off work, so I'm trying to speed this up real quick. I gotta go pick up my dog. We're finna go to the shop. Y'all gonna go see that thing. But y'all finna see my car. Y'all haven't seen it in a while. Damn. Let me go ahead and turn these halos on so y'all can rock with them. What color y'all want? Nah, you know I gotta go with red. Ooh. Let me get y'all that cold start. Well, it's not a cold start because we're in Texas, but y'all haven't heard this thing in a while. Rudy's 5-0, you know what the deal is. Y'all rock with him on my channel. Thing always looking sexy as hell. Yeah, man, but like I said, I'm gonna get right into this video. I'll talk to y'all more in the car, what's coming, why I've been gone for a month and a half. But I just haven't been feeling it, but not even like that, because I know I got fans behind me that really DM me every day too on some stuff, talking about when you're gonna post and all this. But I'm finna get back on the grind. I know I always say that, but I'm finna come back with pressure. And it feels good to be talking to this camera again, in all honesty. It really feels good. So let's go ahead and get this banger started, because you know King Reckless only produces bangers. But let's get our money up, keep grinding. 2020, we're all going up, have faith in all of us, but let's get it.
John Tommy made the beat.
You know, we in the streets, nigga, we posted up. And we got them things on us too.
We get it out the mud, man, I just wanna be rich. I'm just focused on the money to get out of this bitch. I got bigger dreams and my niggas gon' ride me dick. We here to live together, man, we gon' divide that shit. Don't try to stun on us, cause we'll end up taking your shit. Yeah, you can try to get it back and get shot in your shit. We the most hated in the road, they say we.
Damn, y'all haven't seen this in a minute, I bet. Carbon fiber looking sexy as hell. For all my new subscribers, which I seen I got new subscribers, thank y'all so much. Stay tuned in this channel. I love all my supporters. I do giveaways like a lot. Forgive me for being gone that long again, but y'all know I only post bangers. I don't want to be posting every day and they're gonna be some weak ass videos, you feel me, like on some real stuff. I'm trying to give y'all the content y'all want to see. For those people that keep DMing me asking, are my headers put on yet, or my cam? No. And like y'all know, it's been a while, a very while. Y'all don't understand how frustrated I am. I've been had the money to install it, like been had the money. But you can't rush shit like that. Like you can't rush greatness. That man's like great. No, I'm just playing. But you can't rush stuff like that. I know he's busy. I know he probably had a big schedule, especially COVID holding him back. But it's gonna come. I promise y'all it's gonna come. Don't think I don't think about that every day. I'm literally waiting for that to get put on so then I can bring y'all like amazing content that's finna bang. Can't wait for this thing to see how it comes out. You flunk. What up, Ivan? Hey. What's up, G? Say what's up, buddy? Well, yeah, we're back on YouTube. I feel great.
Yeah.
We finna make another banger, right? We're finna see how your car comes out. It's finna be pressure. Ivan, I'm vlogging right now. Say what's up to the camera, you illegal.
You know a YouTuber?
Yeah, I'm YouTubing.
Man, bro, look at my work boots in your car, dude.
Hey, man, don't y'all forget, though. I'm King Reckless. I still get reckless in this. Hey, check it out. That's what I'm saying. Like, I still get reckless in it. They must have forgot my name.
That bitch was staring hard.
She was staring hard as fuck. Like they ain't know King Reckless lived in Huddle on some. Nah, man, but bangers on bangers, bro. Like, it's a banger. You feel me?
See.
Oh, shit. God damn, Ricardo, that hoe looks precious. Oh, man. First reactions.
5 + 5 - 3 4.
Pretty good.
What the fuck is that, Ricardo? Pretty good.
It looks fucking good.
Damn.
God damn.
This is pressure.
All you gotta do is bag it. Oh my
I mean,
God. Look at that tire at the back.
It's still not better than mine and Ivan's, but
Yeah,
it's still
getting
shake
there,
though.
bro. It's getting there.
It's a Mustang. It's a Mustang.
It'll try to get there.
It'll try to get there. Damn, bro, this whole pressure on my soul. Cool. I ain't gonna lie, I didn't expect it to come out this
Dude,
good.
I know. I pulled up. I was like, holy shit.
I need to put a before and after picture of this man's car on this video, because a lot has done changed. And this thing looks sick. How you doing?
Good, man. How are you guys doing?
I'm doing good.
Man, you guys have really cool cars.
Yeah. For sure.
Appreciate it. I'm gonna bring you some business, man. This thing looks amazing.
Man, I did everything myself.
Yeah.
Painted it,
And then-
put it on.
Yeah, we put it on today. I put it on and stuff. And then it looks really good.
It does. Like it changed the whole car.
Yeah, I know. The look in the front, it looks mean.
Yeah.
It's like mean.
Yeah.
My car dirty as hell.
You made my company famous?
I
It's
got-
already famous. I'm a 5-star business.
I got you. You want to say anything about your company? You want to say anything about your company?
Yeah, you know, like we do claims and all this custom cars and stuff.
Yeah, for sure.
And then,
Yeah, I'm gonna come here.
Yeah, there it is. Look, is that one right there? American Elite.
yeah.
American Elite Auto Body. 512 Taquache 246-2153. Y'all hit them up, man. It's precious.
So you do paint?
See?
Oh yeah, YouTube. Y'all haven't even seen Ivan's wheels, man. I've been gone for that long.
Yeah, me and Ricardo.
Look at these for. Hey, what?
Well, not the same, but same.
Look at these Ferrata wheels, bro. These hoes are pressure. And he got tire lettering, but y'all seen that.
Just like him.
I'm telling you, I've been gone for a while. You matched the paint like very, very good.
I mean, this is 3-stage paint. It's
Oh.
really hard to match it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You did an amazing job, bro.
Yeah,
Imagine this bag, bro.
I have a good group of guys, man.
Yeah.
One do that, you know, like I have all the guys, they do really good work.
Uh-huh.
And we've been working together for a long time.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Look at my beast in the back. I didn't record it, but I've actually got pulled over twice since I got them halos. I don't know why I didn't record it, but that thing's definitely bringing me problems. I have been leaving it on white. Right now we're gonna do red because we on some thug stuff. Damn, my car look clean.
Those are new? Those are new?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
Oh.
they got the sequential.
And they're sequential, like they come with that. Look at that duo. Y'all comment down below which one looks better.
Man, I'm jealous of you guys. You have a better car now. I need to buy another car.
You don't got a sports car? Or you do?
I
No?
used to have, but not anymore.
Oh, yeah.
Very dark kids and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Like 4-door sedan car. That's it.
Charger, man.
Right there.
4 doors.
He finna go get one today.
Or a Durango. Okay.
Alright, Reckless Gang, just like that, we are heading out. Y'all notice? Oh, what am I doing? Copyright. Hey! We finna head out, go get something to eat. I'm finna give y'all a montage of this nasty ass bumper on this man's car. And get reckless on the streets, man. But y'all comment down below what y'all think. I'm pretty sure y'all seen plenty of them bumpers on these cars already, but that hoe looks crazy on maroon. Just look at that thing. Oh, he almost scraped. She's popping today. I got y'all there. You want some action? Damn, son, where'd you find this?
The ghetto one.
Is this a Supra?
Yeah.
Come on, man. I'm King Reckless. Y'all thought I was gonna let this Mustang get in front of me. Come on, man. Tunnel alert. I'm not finna give y'all a montage of my car because it's dirty as hell, look. Y'all know I'll give y'all a clean ass montage when my shit is clean. Dirty, dirty, dirty. And it's finna rain tomorrow. But I know y'all haven't seen this car in a while. For my YouTube subscribers, it's dirty. That's what I was finna say, bro. What's crazy is the hood looks good already
Yes,
as is.
like honestly, bro, it does.
Now, like, I'm just picturing the carbon fiber hood. God
that
damn.
would just look mean as fuck, like mean.
That front end's about to be nasty. Time out, time out. Oh, I thought that was carbon fiber. I was like, holy shit, bro. That bumper had carbon fiber on it. All right, Reckless Gang, as you can tell, it's a whole nother day. The man just got a haircut. I just got off of work too, but I left my camera in the car, so I forgot I had to make an outro from yesterday. Also, before I end this video, man, probably about like a couple weeks ago, I got some crazy news coming from one of my closest cousins. He told me he had cancer, and that's always a tough thing to go through, especially him being 26 years old and having 2 beautiful young kids, and of course his beautiful wife, but he got a whole family behind him, man. It's crazy news. You would hate to hear. It happens out of nowhere. It's just, you never know, life hits you. But all I can say in times like that, man, is just stay up, pray to God that you're gonna get through this, which I already know he is. God puts obstacles in your way just to see how you're gonna react, and he's gonna shine light on you, and it's gonna shine like no other light has hit you. But he has a GoFundMe up right now, and his goal is to get to 30,000 because he did not get approved for no medical help. Or I don't know exactly what it is. He didn't get approved for nothing, so every single penny is coming out of his pocket for chemo, everything, all the bills. He's not even working right now, so it's a tough thing for him right now. But I'm gonna put the GoFundMe right here. I'm also gonna put the link in the bio, so if y'all would love to donate, man, that would mean a lot to me. Definitely want to tell you, Beto, if you watching this right now, though, man, you know we all love you, bro. We gonna stand behind you. So you definitely are in our prayers, man. Definitely got some content cooking up this weekend. I don't even have my belt on this whole time, man. Y'all don't take notes from me. There's a Mopar call out, man, that's coming to San Antonio. It's gonna be an all-out racing event. It's gonna be crazy. I'm definitely gonna vlog there, get some good-ass content. It's only Mopar course, Mopar call out. And there's gonna be awards and stuff. My good friend is setting up the whole event, so I'm gonna support him. Shout out to Wolves too. They DM me. They have started on my wheel. I gotta get back to them though just to confirm it. But they started working on this wheel right here, man. It's gonna be fully carbon fiber. I'm gonna have to give them this one, I believe, but it's gonna look crazy, man. So like I said, we do got content coming up, man. I just didn't want to produce no weak videos to y'all. Yeah, y'all have a blessed day and always be thankful. But I'm King Rex and I'm out. Peace.
Fuck 12, nigga. Bitch at the door now. What the fuck, nigga? Growing